how to add drop-down list in Wix. So here I've just opened up the Wix website and I've clicked on edit site, which has taken me to the Wix website editor. Now from the left hand side, we will click on pages and menu. And first I'm going to create a new menu item here by pressing on this blue button. And I'll select new page. Now we can just add a blank page. And if I click on pages and menu again, we will find our new blank page here, and I'll just call it test menu. Click on done, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create all of the drop downs that I want to appear under this test menu. So I'll add a menu item, again blank page, and blank page here. Give it some time to set up, and it should appear, and I'll just call it drop down 1. Okay, you can obviously make the changes here to any of your pages that you want to add, and then I'll just create one last page. Again, it's going to be a blank page, and I'll just call it drop down 2. So drop down 2, and done. Now if we want to add those as a drop down under this test menu, I'll just drag and drop it like this under the test menu. So as you can see, once I drag and drop it, it becomes nested, and I'll repeat the same process for the test menu here. And now we have the test menu and a drop down list. Now if I preview my changes here, so I'll just preview my changes. If I go to test menu, I have drop down 1 and drop down 2, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.